Ford Performance is giving the Ford F-150 V8 a serious boost with the new FP700S package, creating a truck that is built for drivers who want muscle car performance without giving up pickup truck practicality. Designed for Ford F-150 models equipped with the 5-liter V8 engine, the package transforms the truck into a high-performance machine that can challenge some surprisingly quick vehicles on the road. At the heart of the upgrade is a Whipple supercharger that dramatically increases power, but Ford did not stop there. The FP700S also receives suspension improvements along with upgraded wheels and tires, helping the truck stay composed when accelerating hard. Instead of lifting its front end during launch, the FP700S remains remarkably flat, putting its power to the pavement with confidence. Drivers can choose the package for either the regular cab or Super Crew body style, although it is not available for the Super Cab model. The complete installation package costs $26,895, in addition to the price of the donor Ford F-150, making it a significant investment for enthusiasts looking for factory-backed performance. One of the highlights is the available Extreme exhaust system. Its aggressive sound has been compared to a NASCAR race car, creating an unforgettable experience every time the accelerator is pressed. Watching a full-size pickup produce that kind of soundtrack is enough to turn heads wherever it goes. Ford is also giving buyers another option by offering the supercharger separately for owners who do not need the complete FP700S package. A comparison with the Ford F-150 Lobo shows the difference in engineering. While the Lobo front end rises noticeably during hard launches, the FP700S keeps its nose planted, allowing it to deliver smoother, more controlled acceleration. For fans of performance trucks, the FP700S shows that Ford is pushing the Ford F-150 far beyond its traditional work truck role. It blends serious horsepower, improved handling, and unmistakable V8 sound into one of the most exciting factory performance pickup packages available today.